All right. What's your name and the name of your business?
Barientos. I am from Mexico, and my business is called Naturals by Marien. And yeah, it's growing very, very fast. So it was really cool to be here today and learn from the best.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And did you enjoy the workshop and the speakers?
Very much. I think they keep it simple and very easy to understand for anyone. There's young people like Oscar that are more engaged into social media and how to use it, and there were older people also in the audience who are just discovering all of the benefits of it. And I think that the way they put it out is so easy for a young person or an old person to understand and grasp the whole idea of why this is so important and how it can be applied actually to any business, or even a grandfather who wants to leave a message to his grandkids or great grandkids in the future, how anyone can use this and put out there any information, any communications that want to give to the world and want to keep forever in order for people to have it in the future. So yeah, this is what Manuel is doing with all of Frank's legacy now. And this is what everybody should learn on how to do, because our life, yeah, it's 80 years, but these messages are going to continue to be there for another 80 years or 100 years or 1,000 years, and we don't know how long. So we have these tools, and it's very important to learn how to use them and to yeah, use them and apply them and know like our dreams, our expectations through it. Like it's a great tool, and everybody should learn how to use it.
So good. Thank you.
Yeah.
What is one of the things that you're going to leave right from here and go and apply and use that you learned tonight?
More content. I have a lot of things to say, and sometimes we're like, oh, today I'm not really in the mood, or I have so many things to do. But if you want to grow a business, you need to get content out there every day, and you get the best ideas. And sometimes maybe your hair is not done well, just do it through a podcast or just an audio, or just record something else beside you while you record whatever you need to say. It's not about the mood, but it's about consistency. Especially if it's for a business to grow and to grow fast, content is very important. And then how to use AI,
AI. You have it.
AI, yeah, how to use AI in order for that content to be of more impact. So it's both things combined is like the best tool for marketing.
Beautiful. You think some people should come to the workshop?
Definitely, and also just because Manuel and Jorge did not study for it, they are self-made, and they are sharing, which I think is so amazing, because they're not keeping it a secret. Like, they grew so much. It's like millions of people watching the videos of Frank or Manuel's clients nowadays. And the growth is exponential. And instead of just keeping it a secret for people to have to come to them in order to have good publicity, they are sharing all their experience with anyone who comes, and it's free. So yeah, not many people do that. They keep stuff as their secret so that people have to need them. And they're working in a totally different way, which is to share everything and to help everyone else to grow as much as they have. So I think that's just amazing. I admire that so much from them.
So beautiful. Thank
Yeah.
you so
Thank
much.
you.